Hi, today is May 20th, 2018. This is our weekly Autopot garden update. So far, no real issues. We'll go ahead and start taking a look at the plants here and back. Is our tomatillo, and I had to stake him because we had some stormy weather which sort of crumpled him over. So I got him staked up here. And he's doing well though. He's got some flowers. There's a nice flower there, and some other ones sort of intermittently sort of spaced throughout there. There's another one. So he's looking good. And then here's our one of our two tomatoes. This is the Martino Roma. And I was just reading about the suckers that grow sort of off the main stem and a branch. You get these other little growth that called suckers that will produce tomato, but some people recommend to pluck those just so you get a little bit nicer tomatoes on the rest of the vine. So I did pluck some suckers, but the plant is otherwise doing well. Has some nice flowers coming in, so multiple spots everywhere. So that plant looks good. Our next plant is the Eva Purple Ball. I did the same thing I plucked a couple suckers down low, and it has some flowers here up top, and that looks to be growing nicely. And then further back, here's our poblano pepper, and it has here at my fingertip there's a flower there, and if you look more closely, there's some in other spots as well, sort of on the perimeter there. And so he's in back now because he was growing taller than the yellow pepper that I didn't want him to get overshadowed. But this is the yellow pepper, and growing nicely. A few little damages in the leaves, but not sure what that is. Serrano pepper, no flowers yet, but those have been known to take off, so just needs more time, but looks good otherwise. The arugula grew really well, flowering here, and so this is the first time I've grown arugula, but we're gonna actually trim it and eat some for a salad tonight. So all the plants are growing nicely, and that's our weekly update. So we'll give another update in a week or so.